Understanding the taxable amount of a 1099-R.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into an important financial concept, the calculation of the taxable amount of a 1099-R. This form is used in the United States to report distributions from pensions, annuities, retirement or profit-sharing plans, IRAs, and other similar plans. Understanding how to calculate the taxable portion can help you better manage your tax liabilities.
What is a 1099-R?
A 1099-R form is a tax document issued by financial institutions that manage retirement accounts. They are sent to both the IRS and the account owner when a distribution is taken from the account. The form includes several key pieces of information, such as the total distribution, the taxable amount of the distribution, and whether any federal or state tax was withheld.
How to identify the taxable amount?
The 1099-R form typically comes with the taxable amount already calculated in Box 2A. This amount is based on the type of retirement account, your contributions, and various IRS regulations. However, in some cases, Box 2A may be left blank. This could occur if it's your responsibility to calculate the taxable amount, such as with some non-deductible IRA contributions.
How to calculate the taxable amount?
If you need to calculate the taxable amount of your 1099-R distribution, you would typically subtract your investment in the contract, non-taxable contributions, from the total distribution. This can be summarized in the following formula. Taxable amount equals total distribution. Investment in the contract. It's important to keep track of your basis in these accounts to ensure an accurate calculation. A tax professional can be very helpful in these scenarios, especially if you have made non-deductible contributions to your retirement account. Understanding how to calculate the taxable amount of a 1099-R can help you prepare for your tax responsibilities and plan your finances more effectively. While the form typically includes this calculation, it's important to understand how it's derived. If you're ever uncertain, consulting with a tax professional is a wise move. Remember, a well-informed taxpayer is a successful one. Thanks for joining today's session, and I hope you found it helpful.